don't know what it is.
Here's Harley again, guys. She got thirsty and decided she wanted something to drink, so...
She's been in the garden.
Yeah. She says it's drinking time. Need some water.
And yes. Drink 30. Never mind.
I got it.
I'm done. You go sit in your hall? No, not yet. Just want to be nosy. I need to get her a free collar. I got that free stuff in there. Forget about it. You can turn it off that whenever you want. Record what you want. Turn it off when
Okay,
you
this is the end, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed all the hummingbirds and Harley.